ভালো কইরা বাজাও গো দোতারা, সুন্দরী কমলা নাচে। আহা ভালো কইরা বাজাও গো দোতারা, সুন্দরী কমলা। Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing great. My friends, you can see it's a beautiful day and we are in a park in Aalborg, Denmark. It's not Aarhus, we are not in Aarhus anymore. So that is the life update I'm going to tell you. Basically, I'm going to give you two life updates in this video. One is about our moving. So basically the thing is, we came here in Denmark in February and then we stayed there for 4 months approximately, and then Bikram's project has shifted to this city Aalborg and we need to shift here. So the thing is, previously we were thinking that Bikram will go back and forth and I'll stay there, he will stay here for 2 days, then he will go in the weekends. So we are thinking of that way because our previous apartment we were liking a lot. You already have seen so many vlogs in this apartment. It was beautiful, and also Aarhus and Aalborg is just 1 hour and 30 minutes far. So he thought of, okay, we can manage this way. But after doing 2-3 days, it was really impossible. I mean, it will not feel good, right? Whenever you both are staying together and suddenly, two have to stay in a different cities. So then we decided, no, we will be shifting in a different city, like Aalborg. So that's the reason 3 days back we came here. We shifted here, but before that, I already have posted one vlog video about my movie date vlog. Probably you have seen that vlog. On that vlog, on that day, basically we were exploring little bit places here in Aalborg. Then we decided one place, we really liked that place and we thought of we can shift in this apartment. So this apartment is beautiful, it's so close to city center, and we really liked that, and then we suddenly booked that, and now we are here in Aalborg. First of all, I just want to say sorry to all of you because I couldn't shoot a whole moving date vlog, because last time I made one vlog, moving date vlog, and you really appreciated, you really enjoyed that vlog as well. But that was really easy because we shifted from one place to another, but in the same city. But now we came to a different city, lot of stuff we need to move, so I couldn't vlog a single bit. But definitely I will do a full room tour video in my channel. Definitely very soon you are going to see that. You are going to like my new apartment as well because it's so close to city center. It has so much of natural sunshine and it's beautiful and it's big. Now I have no more studio apartment. I have one separate kitchen and then one living room, one bedroom. I mean, it's a big apartment, so not very big, but yeah, it's good for 2 people. And I am going to make a lot of cooking videos, lot of room tour, haul videos, everything. So you are going to see that. And there is one more life update, very important life update also. But that I am going to give you at the end of this video. So please keep watching. And now for the timing, let's see this beautiful nature park. And one more thing, this park also is very close to our home. It's just across the road. And today we will. Now here quickly I want to show you my outfit of the day. It's a very simple and casual outfit with a printed top. I'm wearing denim, and with that I'm wearing this black jacket since it's little windy, so I'm wearing this. Look at this amazing and beautiful nature park, and the good thing is this park is very close to our home. It's just across the road and it's huge and very popular here in Aalborg. So many people, they come to this nature park, they do jogging and they go for running, and sometimes they do picnic. So you can see people are sitting there relaxing, enjoying this beautiful view. And there is a church as well, so we are thinking of we'll visit that church very soon. So this is the nature park, which is absolutely gorgeous. And look at me, my friends, I'm just enjoying my quality time here. I feel so refreshed, so energetic whenever I come to this kind of nature park. I love being close to nature. I love being close to, beautiful Mother Earth. So here I am enjoying my quality time. Me and Bikram, we both are having a gala time here. So my friends, we suddenly found this beautiful rocker here and we are rocking. See, it's fun, right? Oh my god, it's not very, strong thing. I think it's for kids or something like that. But no, it's strong. It's strong. Yes, yes. We both can actually fit here. So yes, we are enjoying our time. Look at this beautiful, amazing view. And please don't forget to comment down below telling me. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Now I am rocking even with more speed. Yes. Okay, so please comment down below in the comment section how many of you like this kind of nature parks, how many of you like, spending your quality time, especially in the weekends, enjoying with your friends and family, especially in this kind of nature park. Please let me know in the comments. And not only the beautiful view of the park, in this park they have some amazing exercise equipments. You can do your regular exercise after coming into this park. So this is the very good thing, and since it's so close, I'm thinking of I'll come here very often to do my afternoon jogging or running or other exercises. মেঘের কাছাকাছি দেখা যায় তোমাদের বাড়ি। And look at this, I was telling you about the gym here. So this is an open public gym. Some few equipments are there, and any time of the day you can come here. It's open for public any time of the day. So this is a very good thing. And look at me, I was trying all the things. I was just enjoying my time being here. And the good thing is there is a playground as well. You can see some football matches going on. So you can come here, you can play football, you can play badminton. So anything you can do, or actually the thing is you can come here with a lot of foods as well. You can have a picnic session with your friends and family. So this is a very good option, and we got really very lucky that our home is very close. And look at me here, I'm behaving like a very little girl. But yes, that's the good thing of being in nature. You can just feel so free to do anything. And Bikram is also thinking of, coming here, especially in the weekdays after having his office. You can come here to do some jogging, running, and other necessary activities. So here, and in Denmark, nature park is very important, and nature park is a must in a locality. So that's a good thing. So my friends, we are now out of this park, beautiful park, and very soon I'll come here in this park and I will do a whole day tour in this park. We'll probably eat something like we already did in my previous vlogs in Aarhus. So basically this is the park, and we need to cross the road, and that is our apartment. I'll show you. Please come in. See, it's close by. Now we are going to have a little bit grocery from Rima. That is also very close to our place. And then we'll be back and I'll give you the final live update. Please keep watching. So we just did our grocery shopping and lot of stuff you can see. So now we'll go home and we'll have some tea, and then I'll talk with you peacefully. So please keep watching. So my friends, I'm back home and we did a lot of grocery shopping done. So the thing is, we just moved into this apartment, and still we have a lot of work to do. Otherwise I could have done a room tour video very soon, but I cannot do that because now I need to set up this new home also with a lot of effort and a lot of energy. And the thing is, I told you in the beginning of my video that I'm going to give you 2 life updates. So one update was about my moving into a new city in Denmark, and the second life update is that I'm going to Kolkata, and it's a very big news for us because we came here in the beginning of February, and now it's almost 7 and 8 months. I am very excited that I'm going to Kolkata. I hope you are also, because Durga Puja is coming, so I'm going to make a lot of vlogs in Durga Puja, and also I would love to meet my family with you all, so it's a great pleasure. But the thing is, Bikram will stay alone here in Aalborg because he got leave for 2 weeks, so he will definitely go to Kolkata, but he will join me after 3 weeks. So that will be the long wait. That will be just a little long wait. After 3 weeks he is going to join me there in Kolkata. And one more thing is that I told you in my alone day vlog video when I shared what I eat in a day in an alone day, that I am going to give a very important exam. So the thing is that exam is related to Spanish language. It's an international exam, and the name of this exam is DELE B1 level. So I already cleared A2 part when I was in Kolkata last year, and I did very good on that exam. So then I got really inspired to give the B level exam as well. But then suddenly we came here in Denmark, so definitely my my Spanish study got a little bit interrupted. But then we decided that anyway we are going to Kolkata in Durga Puja, so why not going there just a little early to have some good preparation about this important exam. So that's the reason I'm going little early. So basically the exam is on 10th of November this year, and the exam center is in Kolkata. Just like last year I gave my exam in Kolkata as well. So for 1 month before Durga Puja I am going to study there. I am going to take some preparation, and then I'll enjoy Durga Puja, and then Vikram will be back to Denmark, and then I'll stay another 3 weeks, and then finally I will give my exam. And after that, after 1 week, yes, after 1 week I will be back in Denmark. So that will be my plan for next 2 months. And as it's a vlog channel, I will update you everything about my life. I will update you everything related to my life, what is happening in my life here at present, or there will be any, if there will be any future plans. So that also I will share with you all, because now you already know you are part of my family, and I just love my YouTube family. So I don't want to hide anything. I just want to share every single thing with all of you. And so that's the reason I thought if I'll make a vlog, and in my vlog also I'll share this thing. So that was my 2 life updates. Please wish me luck for my exam, and also wish me luck for my journey to Kolkata. Now almost there is just less than 15 days that I'll go to Kolkata, and it will be a really tough time coming because I need to do a lot of packing and everything. And one more thing, don't think that I will not vlog there in Kolkata. I will just study. No, I will do study and I will do vlog as well at the same time, because now YouTube is just my responsibility. To my viewers and to my subscribers, I have some responsibility. So I will definitely upload my vlogs. But definitely after going there in Kolkata, first 1 week will be just a little tough. I will settle up there well, and then I will start making my vlogs. So you can expect a lot of Kolkata vlogs, so please stay tuned. And those subscribers who are from Kolkata, definitely you can be very excited, and you can be very happy at the same time, because I am going to show a lot of beautiful places in Kolkata, and also I will cover Durga Puja. So please stay tuned. I will see you guys super soon in a new vlog, in a new video. And in next 2 vlogs I will share my life in Aalborg, my initial days in Aalborg, in this new city. When I was in Aarhus, you liked a lot of my vlogs, and you liked my home tour, everything. So I hope you will like my stay here in Aalborg as well. And also in future when I will be Kolkata, you are going to like that part as well. So okay, thank you so much for watching my vlogs and videos. Please comment down below how was today's vlog, and how are you doing, how you are enjoying